natural gas and fossil fuels, it's not going to end because we ran out of them.
Yep.
It's got to end because it's got to end. It's no longer any, we realize it could be contributing to some real detriment to the environment and the planet, and with carbon emissions and everything else. So people are trying to decarbonize, and you just brought up a great way of trying to get off that type of fuel for heating and electric and cooling and everything else. So.
Absolutely.
And at PWGC, we're right in the midst of that, because geothermal heating and cooling is a big thing with us, and that's something that Paul is the expert on.
That's what that whole conversation yesterday was about, that decarbonization, getting off the fossil fuels and getting over to more solar and wind, and geothermal was the basis of the discussion. So yeah, that is near and dear to us.
Yeah.
And, that we will certainly try to promote and get people more interested in.
Geothermal, solar, battery storage. These are things that are happening, and we got to be at the forefront of it. And I think we can be, because we have these amazing research and academic institutions on Long Island. Not only are we known as having the best, or one of the best K through 12 education systems in the country, we have leading universities and colleges, but we have a lot of research components. We also have Brookhaven National Laboratory, a federal Department of Energy lab on Long Island. That's a big deal. Not every region, much less every state, has one.
That's right.
And we have it here on Long Island. It's about 2,000 plus jobs, and they're on the cutting edge of technological and scientific research. And in fact, the Department of Energy had to make a choice between BNL and a couple other labs to site its brand new electron-ion collider. They chose Long Island. Yeah. That's a $2 billion investment here. It's a big deal. You look at Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, where they discovered DNA, for Pete's sake. You have Northwell Health and the Feinstein Institutes. You have Oxford University. You have Stony Brook University and everything they're doing there. I hope I'm not leaving anyone out. But we have this research corridor that really can help us be a high-tech economy and create these good-paying jobs.